Hi, Back to Basics fam. Let's kick off our journey together with the basics and explore the wonderful world of flower piping. Today we'll be assembling a rose-themed cake. For our tutorial on rose piping and lamb's ear piping, you can check out the links on the description box below. On our next video, we'll be sharing what tools we need and how to use them when we pipe flowers. If you like this video, remember to give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing flower piping tutorials. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our beautiful creations. Until next time, happy piping everyone!